Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Symbol of Knowledge. Hello friends, I have prepared specially for you speech writing video number 1, introduction, speeches, importance of tree plantation. Books are our dear friends. World Environment Day, useful for standard 9th and 10th. इंग्लिश व मराठीत स्पष्टीकरण. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक करके शेयर करना. अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना. अगली वीडियो के लिए प्लीज़ बेल आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए. मैंने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरे चैनल की लिंक दिया है. मेरे चैनल में बहुत सारे प्लेलिस्ट है. आप जो चाहे प्लेलिस्ट चूज़ कर सकते हैं और जो चाहे वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लेट अस स्टार्ट. इंट्रोडक्शन. Speech writing. A speech is an expression of one's idea on a certain topic, orally or verbally. A speech should be interesting so as to attract the attention of the audience. एखाद्या विषयावर एखाद्या व्यक्तीने तोंडी स्वरूपात मांडलेल्या कल्पना म्हणजे भाषण होय. श्रोत्यांचे लक्ष वेधून घेण्यासाठी भाषण हे रुचिपूर्ण असणे आवश्यक आहे. फॉर्मॅट ऑफ ए स्पीच. भाषणाचे स्वरूप. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सॅल्युटेशन. ऑनर ऑल दोज हू आर प्रेझेंट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स, parents and my fellow students. अभिवादन. भाषणाच्या सुरुवातीस जमलेल्या सर्व व्यक्तीप्रती आदर व्यक्त करणे. उदाहरणार्थ, आदरणीय गुरुवर्य, पालक आणि माझ्या विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. सेकंड पॉइंट, इंट्रोडक्शन. The topic which is to be spoken about is introduced to the audience. For example, it gives me great honor to speak on the occasion of. दुसरा मुद्दा, प्रस्तावना. आपण ज्या विषयावर बोलणार आहोत त्या विषयाचा श्रोत्यांना परिचय करून देणे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, बॉडी. It contains the main points related to the topic. तिसरा मुद्दा, भाषणाचा गाभा. भाषणाच्या विषयाशी निगडीत मुख्य मुद्दे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, conclusion. It consists of a few points to wrap up the topic along with acknowledgements. निष्कर्ष. भाषणाच्या शेवटी आपण मांडलेल्या विषयाचा निष्कर्ष सांगून ऋण निर्देश व्यक्त करणे. गाइडलाइन्स. मार्गदर्शक मुद्दे. कीप इट इंटरॅक्टिव्ह. भाषण आंतरक्रियात्मक स्वरूपात असावे. यूज रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन्स. अलंकारिक भाषेचा वापर करावा. यूज प्रोव्हर्ब्स अँड कोटेशन्स. म्हणी आणि अवतरणांचा वापर करावा. कीप द लँग्वेज व्हर्बल. यूज कनेक्टर्स. भाषणाचे लेखन करताना लिखित भाषेऐवजी मौखिक भाषेच्या बोलण्याच्या भाषेचा वापर करावा. त्याचबरोबर भाषण प्रवाही करण्यासाठी वाक्य जोडणाऱ्या उदाहरणार्थ अशा प्रकारे थोडक्यात किंबहुना अशा शब्दांचा वापर करावा. मेंटेन द फ्लो ऑफ आयडियाज. आपण मांडत असलेल्या कल्पना योग्य क्रमाने मांडाव्यात. Now see the first speech. First of all, see the question. Your school has organized a tree plantation program. Being the monitor of the class, prepare a speech in about 150 words with the help of the following points, motivating the students to plant trees. First point, thanking the organizers of this program. Importance of planting trees. The value of trees according to our forefathers. Purvaj. Benefits of a tree plantation program for the environment. Now see the speech answer. Importance of tree plantation. वृक्षारोपणाचे महत्व. Good morning, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I, Miss Aarti Rao, would like to speak about the importance of tree plantation in context of the tree plantation program being organized by our school. Large scale cutting of trees has led to a severe imbalance in biodiversity. Severe तीव्र, imbalance असंतुलन, असमतोल, biodiversity जैव विविधता. In order to restore the balance, we must plant more trees. For each tree that we cut, we must plant 10 more. Had our ancestors not planted trees, we would not have benefited from this gift of nature. Ancestors, Purvaj. Do we really want our future generations to live in a treeless world? Do we want them to blame us for our lazy and selfish attitude? This initiative is a great step towards a healthy environment and pollution-free atmosphere. So let us pledge to plant as many trees as we can to save our environment. Thank you. Second speech question. Our government has recently banned the use of polybags. Polybags, plastic पिशव्या. Some people still carry polybags for their day-to-day work. As the secretary of the Environment School Club, prepare a speech to be delivered on the World Environment Day, जागतिक पर्यावरण दिन, explaining the students the evils of using polybags. Make use of the following points. Disadvantages of using polybags. Harmful for the earth and the animals. Alternative solutions for polybag. Effects on the environment. Join hands to clean the earth. World Environment Day. Good morning, respected principal, teachers and my schoolmates. On World Environment Day, I, Ritika Srivastav, will be sharing with all of you the evils of using polybags. Every day we harm the environment with our daily habits, wasting water while brushing, using polybags, etc. are only some of the ways in which we damage the environment. Even though the government has banned plastic bags, a lot of us still use them. These polybags pollute the environment as they don't decompose. Though we recycle polybags, they eventually end up in the landfills. It puts a lot of strain on the environment when millions of such polybags are discarded each year. These polybags are also bad for the animals because they unknowingly ingest it and choke on it. Plastic that is dumped in the sea endangers the aquatic animals. Plastic rings get wrapped around the animal's neck, which eventually leads to its death. Water pollution has caused a lot of species of animals to go extinct. We need to stop using plastic. We could opt for cloth bags for buying groceries and other utilities. They are washable and durable. We would even use jute bags as they are sturdy and environment friendly. These are a few ways by which we can reduce some of the pollution caused by human activities. Let us join hands to clean the earth and make the world plastic free. Next speech. Question: you are going to participate in an inter-school elocution competition arranged by your school. Elocution competition वक्तृत्व स्पर्धा. Write a speech on books are our real friends with the help of the following points. First point: real friends, treasures of knowledge. Treasures खजीना संपत्ति. Personality development, increase delivering speech ability and confidence. Leadership, speech on books are our real friends. Good morning, respected judges, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak on the topic books are our real friends. This is true indeed because books are a world in themselves. They are like friends you never want to leave. They are always there to comfort you in your hour of need. There is no better company than that of a good book. Books are a source of knowledge. The ideas, concepts, adventures and experiences expressed in a book help expand our knowledge base. They are a world of priceless treasures. Just like the search of knowledge is endless, the number of books in the world is also innumerable. Books also help to build character. They help a person gain confidence and give them the courage to speak. They improve our language skills. Books develop our personality by helping us to form our own ideas, opinions, and perspectives. They make us a better person with their rich and ethical content. They encourage us to be a better version of ourselves. They help us build a new environment in which we can stay focused and lead a successful life. In conclusion, books can be our friends, philosophers, and our trust guides. Thank you. Hello friends, thank you. Thank you friends. Hello friends, in the next video we will study information transfer. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again in the next video very soon. Bye. Bye.